हम अपनी अपनी लाइफ की किसी भी सिचुएशन में हो, अच्छी हो या बहुत अच्छी हो, खराब हो या बहुत खराब हो, कैसी भी सिचुएशन है, कुछ ऐसी चीजें होती ही हैं जो हमें कुछ ना कुछ सिखाती हैं. Especially at the time of bad situation, when we are not finding any hope, when we are not thinking that whether the thing that we are doing is good or not. But the thing is, we need to find that one particular positive aspect that will keep us going. It is rightly said that every cloud has a silver lining. No matter how bad situation is, no matter how difficult the situation is, if we'll start finding that one positive aspect, it will always inspire us to move that particular stage, to pass that particular stage. And when we start thinking like that, when we start searching for that one positive aspect, sometimes that particular positive aspect is not obvious. It takes time to find that word. It takes time to understand that this is the thing that we are going to learn from this particular situation. But the thing is, we need to always search. For example, you are facing a lot of difficulties. Supposedly, you want to do something, but your parents are not supporting that. You will feel that this is the situation that I'm facing, this is the problem that I'm facing. But in that situation, you'll start thinking that how to convince your parents. In that situation, you will start understanding that what other things that I can do which will align with my dreams and also will convince my parents at the same time. The thing is, when we are facing that kind of situation, that kind of adversities, that kind of problems, only then we start finding that solution. So this is the thing that we learn. And whenever, whatever situation we are facing, each and every time we start learning something, each and every time we put our more efforts, each and every time we have to think that one particular positive aspect has to be there that I need to find out. And when we start thinking like that, when we start searching for that positive aspect, our mind get trained and we learn a lot. And it really helps in longer run, because our mind get trained, our mind start thinking like that, our mind start finding solution in each and every problem. Our mind start seeing the positive part of each and every problem that we are facing right now or in the future, whatever we'll be facing. So that is the point. Every cloud has a silver lining. All we need to do is just find that silver lining, what is the positive part of it. And that's it, guys, in this video. I hope you got some value out of it. Let me know what you think about this, what your situation are that you are facing in your life, and let me know in the comments. I would really appreciate your comment. I'll see you in the next video with a different topic. Till then, take care. Bye.